We are officially graduated.
I could tell something was up. You started changing, stopped hitting me up.
Okay, on three. Okay,
You
we'll go.
started flexing.
One,
I
two,
thought we
three.
had a thing. Thought it was our time. Kissing was a lie. I felt so hard. Then you left and broke my heart. Left and broke my heart. Hey, Casper, do it again. Oh, no, no, no.
Hi guys, so this is a recording, a continuation from the previous vlog, and it just includes like self-care before the graduation. So I got a pedicure, a manicure at the Polished Nail Lounge. They were so good over there. Like, I really enjoyed my time there. I spent a lot of time there because of how, like, detailed they were. Here I'm just showing you this massaging chair. It kind of like is massaging my neck and my back whilst I was having a pedicure, and then I went on to have a manicure as well. The ladies there were so professional. We chatted the whole time, and like when she was done, my feet were literally sparkling. Like, she gave me a scrub, like she was so good. I was like, wow, my feet have never ever looked better. I really enjoyed, like, my pedicure over there. And then I had a manicure as well. I couldn't really film it because my both hands had to be soaking at the same time. And then I went on to have my nails done. So I had like acrylics with tips. I think that's what it's called, right? So yeah, I had like a stiletto, a very short kind of nail. I don't know why I let my mom convince me into doing short nails, but that is what I opted for. I had like just short nails. I showed her a reference picture and she nailed it. Like, it was really good. I love like the finished outcome. Again, very lovely lady. Shout out to Rebecca at Polished Nail Lounge. We chatted the whole time whilst we were doing the nails. The service was very professional, and this was COVID time, so she was very, like, clean and tidy with everything. Her techniques were very good. She took her time and she did my nails exactly how I wanted it, and I really like the end result. And yeah, I highly recommend Polished Nail Lounge if you're looking to get your nails done, professional, and she knows exactly what she's doing. As you can see, like, very detailed, very detailed, and very tidy too. Here I had to just wait for a bit while she attended to another lady. She wanted to do something like quick for the lady, so I had to just wait before she then like finished and like did the final touches. And then this is the nails when she was done. Very like sparkly and clean and nice, and just the picture I showed her. I don't have a reference picture anymore, but this is like exactly what I showed her. She added like gold sparkles at the end, and I really love the nails.
The next day.
Hello, good morning. I just woke up. Well, not just woke up. I woke up like an hour ago, and I started to shower and everything. I braided my hair. I put it like, cause I'm wigging it out today. So I just showered and I'm going to start my skincare routine. I'm going to also, do my hair and makeup because I have to be at school for 9:30. It's going to be 7 a.m. So you know how that goes. It's going to take a while. So that is what is up this morning. I'm using Neutrogena Rapid Clear and a cotton wool pad. So I like to conserve, so I actually cut the full 1.5, and I use it like so this is the full pad, but I cut it in half because I'm conservative. So I use like kind of half of the full one. Next up, I use the oil-free acne moisturizer by Neutrogena as well. They're both, my face cleanser is actually also like Neutrogena. I use Neutrogena products right now, so this is like a little 3-step skincare routine I have. Whenever I like my face cream, I also carry it down my neck and stuff, because the face and neck go together. I also moisturize my lips with good old Vaseline. I can't stand dry lips. I can't stand dry lips, so I have to always moisturize my lips. Well, usually when I moisturize, like when I bath in the morning, I kind of exfoliate and then I moisturize, and I'm actually good for the day, so that's good. So I'm going to do my body routine. I just oil up, wear some clothes, and then start my hair and makeup. Hi! So I'm back. For body care, I rubbed some Jergens, aloe vera cream. I was looking for my coconut oil so I could just, I was looking for my coconut oil so I could be oil and glazed and stuff, but I could not find it, so I just used that. Deodorant, I like Old Spice. I've been using this since high school and I've had no adverse reactions. And then I just sprayed this body mist all over my body just to give me a nice scent. So next we're going to start off with the hair. I straightened my wig last night, so I'm going to start installing and stuff like that.
When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know we'll be fine. Hey, got me running round in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby.
So on the way to school right now, finished
That should be not the format.
just press this red thing and it records.
Anybody here that's doing photography?
Yes,
Anybody else?
I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
Akin Moses Ariola Dibayo. Javed Mustafa, congratulations. Adik Umesh Kumar Patel, congratulations. Amodini Dharmalingam.
Value and would like to help you in all your future endeavors. Being in a mission of enlightening the lives of students and creating next generation.
Dr. Peter Shaw hereby pledge for grant administrative. I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity.
I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity.
I shall use it in a manner befitting the honor and dignity of my country and of my alma mater.
I shall use it in a manner befitting the honor and dignity of my country and of my alma mater.
I shall make every effort in all circumstances to uphold the dignity of my profession and integrity of character.
I shall make every effort in all circumstances to uphold the dignity of my profession and integrity of character.
I shall endeavor in every way, through thought, word, and action, to bring about the well-being of people.
I shall endeavor in every way, through thought, word, and action, to bring about the well-being of people.
I shall lead a well-disciplined life and shall never forget the commandments of the sacred scriptures and the universal.
I shall lead a well-disciplined life and shall never forget the commandments of the sacred scriptures and the universal.
Is the real wealth. Always update yourself. As many people have been telling for the entire day, the real life of physician is not only about treating medicine, but also to update yourself and be a life conqueror. Since you all are graduating from here, please make sure.
Oh, live? Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Thunder. I didn't know that. You can turn the feed off now. No, why are you feeding now? Because turn the feed off. Important. There you go. Okay, on three. Okay, we'll go. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Someone should have video her, you know? And let's give you food juice. His wedding ceremony. Yeah, I see them on.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do the
Cheers.
right?
Just finished from the graduation ceremony and we are officially doctors. That's so awesome. Like, shout out to me, Dr. Josie. So weird. I like to do like photo shoot or something though. This is the backdrop that we're taking pictures at. This is my outfit. I don't know if I've really gotten a good picture, but yeah. Recording.
Amazing. This is supposed to be
We hate you guys.
Really?
Yo, it's recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we graduate. Yes.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Alright. You don't know future doctors.
Yeah.
Let me see. We hate you guys.
Big up guys, so we're gonna see you guys back in Nigeria 2021. 2020 something though.
Please, how was the Texila anthem? How was it?
Alright, so to be honest,
Yeah.
actually I was requesting for a remix, right? So most likely they are gonna do some remix, probably invite by Scotel or something, you know, just do something nice, man. You know, they're giving a like anyway.
So, we are officially graduated. Yay! Oh my god. Thank you to our photographer. What's your name?
Hey, Ronald.
Ronald?
Yeah.
Thank you. He's taking all the lovely photos.
Thank you guys.
So you see yourself on YouTube, right? I have a YouTube channel.
What is her channel? I don't even know the channel.
You soon find out. I'll tell Matthew, tell you. So this is everybody that is here. And then we'll meet at the after party, right?
Yeah, see you guys now.
Yes, I do.
Send to me, I beg. Send to me, I beg.
Here at the pizza place. Thank you. Yeah.
Hey, got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out.